factory high-spec Semi SY135 excavator, manufactured in 2018, equipped with full Kawasaki hydraulic components, a flexible 13-ton compact workhorse. The dashboard retains the factory original hour meter reading of 5,139.19 hours. It has been used for construction work all along. All three core main components have never been disassembled or overhauled, with original factory paint and no heavy collision repairs. The undercarriage is in remarkably good condition, with even natural wear on tracks and track links. Idlers, support, rollers, and upper rollers have no cracks or deformation. The bottom guard plates are thick and intact, and the dozer blade only has minor wear on edges. It travels steadily without deviation on muddy ground and narrow rural job sites. The original Kawasaki main pump and control valve. Set, keep factory. Original status. All hydraulic pipelines stay dry with zero oil seepage. Delivering steady, linear oil pressure. Combined movements of boom, arm, and slewing are ultra smooth with adjustable speed and power. The original engine stays clean inside without oil leaks, generating sufficient power at low revs, P. Perfectly suitable for rock breaking, digging, leveling, and ditching with outstanding fuel efficiency. It fits all small-scale projects, including village renovation, orchard clearing, house demolition, municipal, pipeline work, yard grading, and minor infrastructure construction, with excellent mobility for tight spaces. No frequent downtime for shop maintenance, no constant worries about hydraulic leaks or undercarriage wear, delaying your project schedule. You can start construction and collect payments right after simple maintenance on site. This premium compact excavator with solid undercarriage and top-tier Kawasaki hydraulics eliminates all losses and troubles caused by constant breakdowns of ordinary use machines. It delivers light, effortless operation to speed up your capital return, bringing steady profit security for individual, contractors, and small project owners. You are welcome to test the machine on site anytime. Its power, movement, and undercarriage condition will fully convince you after trial operation.